Hello everybody, welcome back. I was trying to go to work this morning and it's just clicking over. I was hoping it was a battery. I tried jumping it with the old Dodge over there, and I even switched out the battery from the Dodge. Just clicking and clicking, but I can get it to whirly over just a tad bit sometimes when I hit the solenoid. Girlfriend tried starting my truck the other day and heard some very weird grinding sounds. I think she left the old key on there too long, but that's alright. The boss is kind enough to let me take the rest of the day off and get this switched out. Of course, beautiful, nice weather. All that snow, and it's like -15, so wish me luck, guys. Of course, I had to get long tubes, so we're gonna have to take those off, and of course everything else is in the way. More than usual, because this is a 351 instead of 302 last time this thing fell apart. This is gonna suck. Luckily these MSD wire holders, whatever you call them, are real easy, and it frees up a lot of this space. I'm not even gonna take off my exhaust because it's just a straight pipe. I'm just gonna manhandle it back up there. And no, we don't have new header gaskets. I already asked, can't get some till tomorrow. And we gotta get this done by tomorrow. So we're just chugging along. I'm on that last bolt on the very back. My ratchets, or my wrench is too long. Never had this problem before. Usually it's either just too short or it's alright. But I'm trying to move it around to see if I could just get the header off, or like the header sideways, but transmission lines are like directly underneath it, so it would have to come out all the way. So fighting with this for a little bit. Hopefully next time I start recording, it's off. Of course, nothing's going right. This wrench is too long. That's an 11. I got this beautiful 11, but it's not the ratcheting wrench. I have to cut it. And cause I've tried to hit that fender wall back, it's not moving. I'll just cut it about there. It'll be fine. Hey, wee wee. Now this is what I call a wrench. Alright, so I got the new starter on down there. Fingers a little numb. As you can see, that top bolt isn't in there. I think it's because the bell housing bolt is stripped out, and I think that's what caused it. Because I looked on the old starter, it was like grinding, like it was sliding back and forth. I think that's why. So I gotta go back to O'Reilly and get a nut for that bolt. We'll sandwich it with some Loctite, and hopefully it'll be good. Cross your fingers, guys. Luckily enough, I hoard these tools, or hoard these random bolts and nuts, and I found one that works. I don't even have to go to the O'Reilly's. Sweet. Okay, the reman starter's on. Got my coil unplugged so I can turn her over before I put that header on. I'm using a different starter. Make sure everything's shimmed out right, just so I don't have to do some, or just in case that starter doesn't work. All right, here we go. Battery might just be dead, but it does turn. That's an improvement from last time. All right, we got that platinum battery, AGM battery that isn't supposed to freeze. Let's see. That's the battery I had it this morning when I couldn't get it to start. Let's see what we got here. I picked a really bad place to park. Sounds good enough to me. It still sounds like it's cranking really slow, but honestly that could be because of the cold. It's not binding up or doing anything weird. I'm gonna put that header and that old gasket back on, and hopefully it'll be alright. We are all good. Now I have to jump this one because I did run the battery down. But Good, very nice. Alrighty, fillers, after I was having some fun in the snow, heater still kind of doesn't like to work. I'm pretty sure it's either heated core or blower motor. But, you know, who really needs to see out their windows anyway? I just drift around the backyard and all sorts of fun stuff. This four-wheel drive system is the greatest invention ever. Two-wheel drive, you can't get out of your own way. You just keep spinning and spinning. Bopper and four-wheel drive with the lock tubs. Dude, you could climb a mountain in this freaking thing. Let's see if it'll start back up. Aha! Uh-oh. I don't know if you heard that, but she clicked a little. Let's see if we can do it again. Yeah, it's making a weird clicking sound now. Uh-oh. Damn Chinese parts. I think we'll rock with it until it no work no more, and then I'll throw shorty headers on here next time, because this, you know, wasn't the greatest experience, but I think I've taken it in the butt a lot harder before. Pause. Anyways, guys, as always, I appreciate you for watching if you made it this far. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.